Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of quadratic function. So as per the problem, if the points in the table lie on a parabola, write equation whose graph is the parabola. So we have to write an equation for a parabola on which these 4 points lie. Now, as you may know, an equation of a parabola can be written in three forms: the standard form, the factored form, and the vertex form. The easiest form to use for this problem is standard form. So we'll start by writing the general equation of a parabola in standard form. We have to find the value of a, b, and c for this parabola. So we will sub in three of these 4 points one by one in this equation and then solve for a, b, and c. So let's start with the first point, -1, -12. We should sub in x as -1 and y as -12 in this equation. So this is the first equation we get for a, b, and c. So this is equation number 1. Now we can use the second given point. So we should sub in x as 1 and y as 16. So this is the second equation we get for a, b, and c. Now we can use the third point, 3, -12. So we can sub in x as 3 and y as -12. So this is the third equation for a, b, and c. In the first equation, the coefficient of a is 1 and coefficient of c is 1. In the second equation, coefficient of a is 1 and coefficient of c is 1, but the coefficients of b terms in equations 1 and 2 are not the same. In equation 1, the coefficient of b is -1. In equation 2, the coefficient of b is +1. So if we subtract equations 1 and 2, we can cancel out a and c terms. So let's write these equations again. We can use the elimination method. We can subtract these two equations. On the left side, -12 minus 16 is equal to -28. A minus a is equal to 0. The a terms get cancelled out. Similarly, the c terms get cancelled out. So c minus c is 0. -b minus b is equal to -2b. Now we can find the value of b by dividing both sides by -2. I get b equals 14. So this is the final answer for value of b. Now we have to use this value of b to find the values of a and c. We can use equations 2 and 3. We can sub in b as 14 in equation 2 and equation 3. Let's start with equation 2. We can combine the like terms 16 and 14 by subtracting 14 from both sides. This is our fourth equation, and this equation has just a and c. Now we can sub in b as 14 in the third equation. Now we can subtract 42 from both sides to combine the like terms, negative 12 and 42. This is our fifth equation, and it has just a and c. Now we can solve equations 4 and 5 to find the values of a and c. First we can stack these two equations. We can subtract these two equations to cancel out the c terms. So we are using the elimination method. 2 minus negative 54 is equal to positive 56. A minus 9a is equal to negative 8a. The c terms get cancelled out. Now we can divide both sides by negative 8. I get a equals negative 7. This should be the final answer for a. Now we can find the value of c by subbing in a as negative 5 in equation number 4. We can add 7 to both sides to isolate c. I get c equals 9. Now we can use these a, b and c values to write the equation of the parabola. So this should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.